Good morning. Today we will learn how to check locally. That is, this is the input. If this input is passed, this scripts, then here output should come in the command prompt. So when we pass the AWS server in Hadoop, login in the Hadoop AWS server, in that server we will pass these scripts like this type of scripts. We use the submit option there, but here in this script, let me show you what the scripts has written. See, this is different one. This is just I have wrote to show you what are different types of scripts are there. These two scripts are related to the people data. Okay, that is the input data. Our say this script is written here. See here. Here I have imported the system variable. Okay, because we have given the three arguments here. Okay, this is the data which is imported from date. It will be the same if command. If this should be the case, if the length of the argument is not equal to 3, okay, then it should print this .py file, which is the this file only, and one input and one output. So total argument is 3. Okay, total argument is 3. Then here we have started the spark session. This is the spark section which we have started, and we have used here the expression method. So we are reading the file, that is a people.csv file it is. So .csv only, we are reading that file and we are partitioning it. If not use this one, it will be come as a single output. Okay, we are partitioning it and then we are saving it in a filter. Okay, by using the filter where gender is equal to F and salary is greater than 50,000. Okay, we are applying this condition and then we are saving it in the Parquet. We are writing the file in the Parquet form. Okay, let's check how it is executed. We will open the command prompt cmd. Okay, now just move to the E drive. Okay, then cd conda, just press the tab and you can enter into the conda environment. The file name is conda only. See here, conda, and then people. Okay, cd people PEU type, then press tab, then enter. Now I'm putting the conda activate. Conda activate spark. Okay, here we not required to start the Jupyter notebook. See, you is entered the Spark environment now. Now you just type Python space, then you give the script here. You can observe the script here. What is written in that? Female. See, first the file.py format. Okay, this is nothing but .py format. This is just a saying. It will print like this only. Okay, .py format, then the input, then the output. Right, so you have to first is what Python, after Python the script name, where it is. First is Python, then the script. Okay, script, this you can type it as sc, then backslash, and then that's the average Python female, this is the thing, space, then the input backslash people cs. Okay, then the output ot tab, then backslash. Output has no folder, so we can create a folder in the name of female only. Right, just press enter. See, output has no folder here, but it will be created once it is executed. Once it's executed, it will be created. This will be faster actually. Still it is running. Okay, it started now. See, the female is created here. Okay, now it is ended. Once you go inside the female, that's three files. The two partitions which you have given is just these two partitions. Okay, this thing you can read it in a Jupyter notebook. I will show you that also in this video only. first of all, I want to show you the scripts, the arguments which we can pass, right? See here, this is a common thing up to here. See, up to how much argument we require, that much argument we can pass. Here it should be the 7 because we are passing the first as .py file, then 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 7 argument we are passing. So it should be 7 number here. Length of the argument should be 7, so that we can pass easily 7 arguments. This all the 3 arguments here. First we are reading the file as a brand, revenue, finance, traffic, like that. We are reading the first 5 files, the reading the files. 0 is the index 0 is the .py file. So 1 2 3 4 5 is the indexing, is our files which we are going to read. This is the csv file is there, so we are reading as the csv. Option header is equal to true. Okay, then we are creating the views. In order to use the Spark SQL, we have to create the view, temporary view of the table. Okay, then we are running the command over this what we required. Okay, so select floating. Okay, this one is commands. Okay, then we are again converting over into the views. Here I am converting the data type also. Okay, and then finally I am writing the here finance data type I am converting in these files. Okay, and finally I am writing the code. This should be not there. That's it. Okay, see, this is the code which I have written. Then I save it in a, run it as a query. That's Spark SQL. That's the query one. Then I writing in a Parquet format and save it as an output. That is the 6th argument which I have given. Clear? So like this we can give the arguments. Now I will show you how to read that file which is loaded here. See, this people output file, female. How to read this file? Let me show you. Okay, here control X C. Okay, then cd dot enter. Yeah, in Conda there is a file Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook, enter it. Notebook, enter. Now the notebook will be opened. Here I have kept the practice file, the same file I am going to use it in order to run the Spark session. Okay, since I have not started any session, I will import this one, the library, necessary libraries. Then I will import this one. Since we required only Spark session, so we are not creating RDD here. So I import only the Spark session. Okay, in order to see which library in which directory you are in, so you can get the current working directory here, or else the present working directory also you can type. Now we are in Conda. Okay, so we can read it as a okay. Then we have to read a data frame which is equal to Spark. You can press the tab always. Then if you don't know the option, then you can press the tab. It will show the option here, read, because we are reading the file. Dot which format it is in Parquet format. So press the tab. It will take time because some other is going on in my laptop. Read E I have typed. Okay, press tab, Parquet. Then you have to give the path. Just press the tab. What is the path here? We are in Conda. So we have to go to people, output, and female. Then P you type, just enter. Then press the tab button. Whatever the output is there that you enter, then press the tab, female. See, this is the two files. You can observe here. after the part 007 ABC2, everything is same here. Okay. Only part 00 is there, part 001 is there. So we can remove this, all the, instead of writing everything, we can part underscore star, then dot snappy dot parquet we can write, so that we can read all the two files. Okay, so everything we can replace it by star, so that we can read it in a single file. Shift enter, then df dot show, shift enter. See here, all the files has been visible here. If you want to read, I will show the count here in the next tab. Just df dot count. Okay, this will give the count. 860 are there. Let us check how many are there in first. That is, I will copy this one from here to here. Copy, paste it. It will be df1. Then from here I can remove it. Can button, then press the tab button. I will read the first file. Enter. Then shift enter. df1.com. It should be 430. Like that, second file you can also read it. Okay, you got the point. Thank you.